presenting a pre-owned 2022 Chevrolet Tahoe. This four-door SUV has an 8-cylinder, 5.3-liter V8 engine with rear-wheel drive and a 10-speed shiftable A transmission. This Chevrolet has less than 89,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 15 miles per gallon in the city and 20 miles per gallon on the highway. Ask to see the free Auto Check Vehicle History Report. Key features include auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, speed-sensitive volume control, smartphone integration, wireless data link, roof rails, power windows, rear privacy glass, window defogger, air filtration, front air conditioning, cruise control, power steering, digital odometer, external temperature display, battery saver, trailer hitch, airbags, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, child seat anchors, parking sensors, seatbelt force limiters, power door locks, stability, control, and traction control.